Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of today's video and by this new setup, I am officially in my new home. My hair looks absolutely crazy right now. I am about to start getting ready for a fun little Halloween look. I'm dressing up as Kylie and I'm dressing up my little best friend Bianca as Stormi. If you guys have been following me, then you already know who Bianca is. She has been on my channel since she was like 2 months old and now she is about to be 3, and I swear the more she grows, the more she looks like Stormi. It's the craziest thing ever, and every time I post a picture with her, you guys are crazy in the comments saying Kylie and Stormi. So I just figured this would be a fun little thing to do. So my plan is to recreate the Kylie and Stormi 2022 billboard look. I tried my best to get outfits that look similar to these, and I'm gonna do my hair and makeup the same as Kylie, and I'm gonna get Bianca ready the same way as Stormi. So I have the side part going. I just roughly put it up and it's kind of looking very good. This obviously has to go into a bun, but I want to make sure that this top part is completely slicked before I tie this up. She also had this little part hanging down to the side, so I'm kind of trying to recreate that. Now that my hair is all complete, it's time to start my makeup. Hi Bianca! Mira esta cámara. Who's a little Stormi girl? Who's a little Stormi girl? Bianca is. I love you. Oh, look, show everybody how cute you are. Show everybody how cute you are. Thank you. I love you. I love you so much. It's so pretty. And just like that, our Halloween look is all complete. We just finished taking all the pictures. That was kind of hectic because she is just about ready to go down for her nap. But I think we got a picture. Hopefully, I didn't look through them yet, but my mom was taking them and said that a lot of them look good. So I'll put some on the screen, but also be sure to check out my TikTok and also Instagram to see the final look. So I'm gonna go in the shower again. I literally showered before this, and I'm gonna go shower again, wash all this out of my hair because I have a blowout appointment in a few hours, and then I'm getting a spray tan, so I want to make sure I'm all showered with no creams on or anything, ready for that spray. I feel like I look so different with the side part. I actually can't even take myself seriously right now in the viewfinder, and also with this random little straggler piece hanging down. It's all very weird to me, but it was a very fun look. Bianca's getting so big and I need to film more with her, and also with her sister Alexia. I've only shown you guys her a handful of times and she's getting so big. She's my goddaughter and Bianca is my mom's goddaughter, so we are so close with them and their whole family. We see them literally every other day and they're just the best ever. So this was such a fun little look to do with Bianca, and I'm so happy that we got to do it together. So yeah, this is honestly getting me even more excited for this entire weekend of Halloween looks and all of the recreating and makeup and everything that I'm about to do. We got pizza. Who got pizza?
Mommy, Caro mommy.
Caro de mommy. Hola everybody. Bianca's videoing me. Are these all pumpkins too?
I want eso.
Para Alexia?
Oh, mío.
Para Alexia. Mira. Bianca, do slowly.
Yeah! Okay.
Wow.
Look.
It is a bit later. I officially have my hair all blown out and ready for my trip tomorrow. My hair is so incredibly long. I am officially about to start packing for my trip to Indiana tomorrow. As you can see, I am very tan. I just got a spray tan at Sunkissed by Chris. And you guys can use code EVANGE in store and online at Shop SKBC for 20% off your spray or any spray tanning products, any mitts or exfoliators or anything of the sort. They are the absolute best, and anytime I get a spray tan, that is where I go. I'm just loving the way that this looks. I will be washing it off in the morning before my flight. This is just everything and more. I desperately needed this for Halloween weekend this weekend. I'm about to start packing. I need to lay out everything on my bed, and I'm gonna try my best to fit everything in a carry-on bag. I'm only going for the next 3 days, so I feel like this is very doable. Right in here is my new closet at my mom's place, and everything is super organized. As always, if you guys know me and have been subscribed for a long time, you would already know that I love all of my stuff very organized and just in order. I kind of split up my stuff between my mom's and my dad's house since I do spend time at both. All of my sneakers and shoes just organized right here in these bins. I also have all of these bins above on the top shelf, which keep all of my traveling goodies and some toiletry stuff and electronic stuff, just stuff that I don't want to stare at but also that need to be stored. So I figured this would be the most convenient and aesthetically pleasing ways. Right over here are sweatshirts and sweaters, and all over here are my denim shorts as well as denim pants and some sweatpants. And since I had no drawer space when we first moved here, I got these units from Target and they have just been working wonders. I keep all of my pajama sets in here and all of my pajama tees as well as shorts in this drawer, and right in this drawer is all of my socks and workout sets as well. Here are my 3 Halloween looks for this year's Halloween weekend. The first night I'm being Spider-Girl or Spider-Man. The second night I'm being the Joker, and I have some fishnets. I'm debating between these 2 shorts, so we shall see the night of which ones I wear. And then the third night I'm being the Hailey Bieber look from her Strawberry Glaze launch. I have the necklace and everything, and my boyfriend is being Justin Bieber, and also the first night my boyfriend is being Spider-Man as well, so we're gonna be matching. I also have strawberry earrings to wear the same way that Hailey Bieber did for her look. So here's everything I'm bringing with me, all organized in their packing cubes and ready to go. I don't think I overpacked. I think I brought everything that I would need and just enough stuff. And right over here I have all of my makeup. I went through all of the makeup that typically stays in my drawers and kind of planned out the looks that I will be doing for all of these costumes and gathered all of the products that I anticipate I'll need in here to bring with me.
Say happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
You guys gotta wait for your parents. Hey, you got another kid?
I am officially home now and in my pajamas. I am obsessed with wearing pajama sets to bed now. I swear since I moved, I have not gone a single night in my house without wearing a pajama set. I ordered so many online. This one is actually from Amazon. It's a Jerf Avenue dupe. I would have gotten the original one, but it was sold out at the time that I wanted it. It is literally the comfiest thing ever, and I have been living in it, but also I've been living in every pajama set ever. Shorts and short sleeves, but I feel like now that it's pretty much Christmas, I'm gonna start saying that now because Halloween is officially over. I told my mom I want to put up our tree like tomorrow because I just need all the Christmas vibes for as long as possible. So yeah, long sleeves and pajama pants are just what I'm needing right about now, and I'm loving it. I'm gonna head to bed and I'll see you guys in a little bit. hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video and coming along with me on the past few days in my life. I'm so glad that I was able to capture so much fun content during the past few days. Before this video is over, I want to include all the TikTok content and all the videos and get ready with me's that I filmed during Halloween weekend while I was at Indiana visiting my boyfriend. So I'm going to insert those get ready with me's now. There were 3 looks and each one is about 3 minutes. So the rest of this video will be a recap of all of my TikToks. If you guys already watched them, then you don't have to stay tuned for this or watch them again, whatever you want. Get ready with me for Halloween weekend night 1 at Indiana University. I am due for a haircut. It has almost been exactly a year since my last one. I feel like it's just way too long right now. I'm excited for this look, so let's get right into it. I got a spray tan before coming here, so hopefully all of these products match. I'm so excited that it's Halloween again. I feel like this is seriously the best time of year. Comment down below what you guys are being for Halloween. For those of you guys who don't know, my boyfriend goes to Indiana University, so I'm visiting him. This is definitely not my shade at all, but we're just gonna roll with it. I have not worn a full face of makeup in a minute, so this is gonna feel very weird, and it is very weird to be doing right now. Nose contour is my favorite thing ever. I actually forgot what it was like to have so much hair down like this because I'm actually breaking a sweat. I feel like I'm in a blanket. This is literally one of the best blushes ever. I went to Nashville 2 weekends ago for literally 48 hours, and that was the first time that I actually went out in like months. Aside from that Nashville trip, tonight is literally the first time that I will be going out since like the summer. I'm gonna try my best to do a little smoky eye. Every single time I do eyeshadow, it ends up looking like I have a huge black eye. I'm just not quite sure what just happened, but I can't really go back now. I'm literally putting so much powder, and that was completely on accident. Now it's time for a little wing. The last time I did a talking get ready with me on TikTok was literally this time last year. But let me know if you guys prefer talking or the aesthetic ones behind an audio. It just makes sense for tonight if my eyelashes look like spiders, so that's why I'm doing a lot more coats than usual. I'm now going to take this bad boy out. Before I do my lips, I'm going to set this face so it stays all night long. Since my costume is very red and bright, I think I want to do a red lip. I'm going to put some of this red on the inside. I honestly feel like the black added a lot to this lip, and I'm loving it. I never wear lip colors like this, so this is totally out of my comfort zone, but I feel like that's what Halloween is all about. I think it's about time to put on my costume and complete this entire look. I'm all ready to go. This completes Halloween weekend look night 1. I'll see you guys tomorrow for night 2. Get ready with me for Halloween weekend night 2 at Indiana University. I'm dressing up as the Joker tonight, so here is my makeup inspo. My hair is literally past my waistline. It's actually crazy. So let's see how it goes, and let's just trust the process. From what I've seen, I have to put powder on my eyebrows before I can make them green. This is the palette I'm going to be using for all of my green shades. I'm now going to start the base of my eyeshadow. I've literally never worn a look like this before. I'm gonna take a little break from the eye makeup and start my base. Seeing so many people out last night and everyone in costumes makes me so excited to go out again tonight. Once I finish this makeup look, I'm adding green hair wax to the front of my hair. I have very high expectations for this look, so I'm really hoping for the best. Nose contour as always. The Joker definitely doesn't have pink cheeks, but tonight we do. Since the Joker kind of has like a white face paint base, I feel like adding a lot of this light powder will help to achieve that look. I'm now going to be doing the red slash, the ha ha ha, and the J. So this is where things could take a turn. I feel like this is looking pretty good so far. This looks so crazy, but I'm lining my lips with black and I'm going to be putting red on the inside. Just going to add it to the center. I just found a picture on Pinterest of a girl who added an extension to her lips to kind of give that Joker smile. This is crazy. It's time to now add the green to my hair. I literally cannot get over how I look right now. This lip goes crazy. Oh my goodness. It's time to set. Starting with some hair gel. Now that the top half of my hair is all slicked back, did I just put way too much? What do you guys think about this? I don't know if I just ruined the whole look. I'm also taking some of this and putting it on my eyebrows to really make them extra green. I feel like that really tied in the look. I'm gonna go get dressed and then do the chest art. So here is my Joker costume, all complete. It's literally just a purple corset with some shorts and purple fishnets. The whole look is really the makeup, and that's why I went so extra with it. Oh my goodness, this look is insane. Have a safe and amazing night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for look 3. Get ready with me for Halloween night 3. Here is my hair and makeup inspo for the night. I need to do a side part and slick back all of my hair. I never wear my hair in a side part. I'm going to roughly just tie my hair back now. My hair is definitely a bit longer, so this front piece looks a little wonky. We're just gonna have to deal with it. I feel like I didn't put the bun high enough. I kind of want it up here more. And it's time to start makeup. I am honestly so excited about this look because of how minimal it is. My skin has just about had it with all of the makeup from the past 2 nights. As we all know, Hailey is known for that glazed, glowy skin, so I really want to channel that look with tonight's makeup. I'm sure we already know which look I'm recreating. I'm doing a couple's costume with my boyfriend. It's the iconic look of Hailey and Justin from Rhode's Strawberry launch. I'm going to try my best to keep this look as natural as possible. I even DIY'd huge strawberry earrings for this look. My cheeks need to be extra rosy, so I'm going to be mixing both of these and loading on all the blush. I can't believe it's already night 3 of Halloween. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I just added all of my freckles as best as I could to replicate the ones that Hailey has. I'm now going to line my lips. I left my strawberry lip treatment at home, so I'm improvising and using the lip tint in the shade Espresso. Adding some more blush. This look turned out so amazing. It's officially the last and final night of Halloween weekend. This may or may not be an EP Jewels sample necklace inspired by the Hailey Bieber bee. It's time to go meet up with my boyfriend so we can take pictures and complete this whole look.
Morning, guys.